Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do quick unboxing of the gift from Chanel Boutique from my SA. So she sent something very sweet holiday gift for me. So I'm gonna show you quickly, and then I'm gonna give you small advice about DIY room decor with the Chanel themed like props, DIY home decor. This is not for sale. You can't find the same product from Chanel homepage or boutique. So I got this gift with a Christmas card from my SA. Very sweet. This is a home product. As I know, there's a no home product they're selling. So this is not for sale for sure. And when you see Chanel Bottle Beauty, I think. And I thought it's like cosmetic or something, but I think this is a home product. So let me show you. So as you can see, this is candle holder. Ta-da! Yeah, this is candle holder. Very cute. So you can put candle inside. You can also use this lid. There's a kind of lid you can put. So Chanel Bottle Beauty, Chanel Bottle, and you can put this like this. Yeah, very nice. Or I think you can put at the bottom like this. Yeah, you can put at the bottom. This is like a Chanel home interior like a product. I think for this holiday theme I wanted to continue the Chanel themed DIY home interior and room decor. So let's start. Let's make the vase with flower. I got a cotton swab container from TJ Maxx. Also I got artificial flower from Michaels. Remove the lid from the container and then use the bottom only. Pour a glass of water and use any pink color paint, either acrylic or watercolor is okay. Print a label and glue it on the container. Voila! Now we're gonna put the flower inside. You need to make it short so that it fits inside. Now let's make Chanel themed perfume bottle. Prepare 2 labels and print out and cut. For the perfume bottle, you can use any size of box. Now I'm gonna use a gold paper to wrap around the box. Use glue gun. Glue the label on the box. Now I'm gonna make a lid for the bottle. I'm gonna make a round shape at the bottom of the lid and a rectangular shape on the top. I'm gonna use a silver color bling ribbon. Wrap around the box. Put the label at the front using glue gun. Voila! Now we're gonna make books with luxury brand signatures. I use Photoshop to gather all these brand signature, but you don't need to do it. You can just print out from your phone one by one. After you print out the logo and signature, you need to wrap each book with different color. I highly recommend the hardcover book, otherwise it's gonna be difficult to hold the paper. I'm not gonna use any glue or tape. I would choose white color for Chanel and gold color for Gucci, black for Dior, gray for Prada. Now let's cut out the letters and then put on the book. You need to cut out each letter separately and make sure keep the same distance between letters. Otherwise it doesn't look clean. Now let's move on to Dior. I would love to choose pink color for Dior, but I chose all the neutral color already, so let's go for black for this time. Now move on to Gucci. Gucci has more like extravagant vibe, so I'm gonna choose gold color. Again, try to keep the same spacing between letters. Now let's move on to Prada. Prada has a modern chic feeling, so I chose light gray. Now let's make a Chanel themed bling bling tray. Get 2 or 3 frame and put it together. I'm gonna use a diamond bling ribbon for the bottom. You can paint the frame with different color, like black would be good. But I chose white color with a Chanel black letter. For the top frames, use the just frame by itself and use the glue gun to put it together. You can put one more frame to make it deeper. Now let's put the Chanel letters at the front part of the frame. I'm gonna choose the bigger one. I'm gonna use just stick glue. Ta-da! Hope you enjoyed my Chanel themed DIY room decor. Happy holiday! Bye!